अगर आपको मेरी ये छोटी छोटी वीडियो और मेरी छोटी छोटी टिप्स आपकी जिंदगी में चेंज कर रही है, लाइफ विद मंसूर यूट्यूब पे जाएं, हमें सब्सक्राइब करें। थैंक यू। Once again, this is Mansoor. I am the president and CEO of MD Group of the company. So I would like to first thank you to my both offices, especially Pakistan office, Canada office. Today we are very nearest to the Christmas, so we will say celebrate the Christmas all together. So we will say, so everyone happy and Merry Christmas. And also because the holiday period is coming now, and we want to make sure that New Year is coming ahead of time now, that almost a week left. So I would like to make sure that 2023 you enjoy, and in advance I would also say Happy New Year as well. So this today video, we have all the staff is here from overseas, from Canada, and I always say the one thing in my all video: you have to respect the individuals. You have to help each other. You have to not to focus on the money first. So this is so important in my almost 100 plus video I put on YouTube, and also in 2022 I also put the 10 business cases in as well in the YouTube, and some tips for the family issues which we all face it. So the goal is, the MB platform is to how to be give a peace in the family and give a right message to the family, what exactly to be structure it, and also when you're fresh in the family environment, you always do the better business. So that's, I'm doing the practice since August. Of course, I'm doing the practice since I wake up, but since August I officially start doing this practice in the media, in YouTube, and we really thank you to all our viewer, and they enjoy our video. They got a lot of feedback, lot of viewer, and that's why it give me the encouragement that we adding more and more and more stories over there, and the realistic stories share with you, so we can work as a team together. So today we are celebrating a party, and it's arranged by Michelle Lath, and in Canada, and the Pakistan office it's also is enjoying that party with us as well. So I would say everybody for today date, it's to make sure that whatever happened in the past, today is today you have to be start from the fresh, right? So start your memories fresh, enjoyed it, and think positive. Your life will be changed.